Welcome to my channel. If today is the first time, I will be talking about 10 ways of making money online, and the number 7 is the secret. So make sure you stay till the end of this video so you won't miss out. The number 1 ways of making money online is freelancing. You can offer your skills in freelancing, like skills like writing, video editing, graphic design. If you are good at any of these, you can actually make money, and a lot of clients are willing to pay a lot of money for you to do this for them. The place you can find clients is Fiverr, Upwork. They are ready and they are willing to pay you to showcase your skills. The number 2 is virtual assistant. You can actually help company out there to do minor tasks, and a lot of business owners are willing to pay for these tasks. You can do virtual assistant by replying to email, sharing a post, and this is very profitable and they are paying, and it's very paying. So if you have skills and you have the time, you can also apply this. It's very profitable. The number 3 is YouTube. A lot of people are making money on YouTube by sponsorship, which is the company will pay you to promote their product in your video. You make by promoting their product in your YouTube channel, so you can also get money from that. The number 4 is affiliate marketing. You can actually make money in affiliate marketing when someone buys a product through your link. You get a commission, and that is very profitable. If you have thousands of people that bought that product in your link, you know how much you'll be making? That is the secret. The number 5 is online tutorial. Are you good in English speaking, French, Spanish? If you are good in any language, you can do online tutorial and you're going to be making money. Or are you good in maths? You can also teach maths and you can actually make money from it. So if you are good in any of these, online tutorial is for you. That is for people that is good in any of these skills. Then the number 6 is social media management. Social media management like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and as many. People that owns these social media accounts are looking for people to manage them for them. If you are good in any of these, you can actually manage social media accounts for business owners and individuals, and just by posting, replying to message, and they are actually paying very well. Then the number 7 is selling digital marketing. Are you good in creating templates, ebook? You can actually make money from this, and it's not only making money from it is a problem. You keep on making money from time to time with that number, and there is a lot of money when you have digital marketing skills. There is a lot of money in it because you'll be making money even when you are sleeping. The fact you have done the necessary by creating a product, you talk about the product, you do a video about the product and paste it online, and as people watches the video and those that are interested are willing to buy your course, that is buying your digital products. So it's one of the best you can also try. The number 9, drop shipping. The number 8, drop shipping. The drop shipping is a kind of skills you offer internationally. People that want a particular product, particular goods, you don't have the goods. Your work is to buy the goods from the supplier and ship it to the customer, and it's very profitable because it pays very well. The number 9 is content writing. Are you good in writing? You can write blog for companies and you can actually make money from that by doing this. Also, the number 10 is survey. Are you good in playing games? You can be doing app testing for companies. Even AI testing is also very profitable, and a lot of people do pay for all these services. So each of these 10s I've listed down, you can pick one and focus on it. Don't go into the 10 at once. Just pick one particular one and put your consistency on it. Consistency is what matters. So I wish you good luck as you're going to try this, and I'll be dropping a video on each of these 10 I've listed down. So if today is your first time, please do well and subscribe so you